Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP flexes its muscle. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, right now, I'll tell you what, it sure feels like XRP has had to literally take on all contenders. But even in the midst of that, it has been knocking them out left and right and is showing its strength, flexing its muscle in a powerful, powerful way. Guys, we had just gotten through this whole SEC debacle that has literally suppressed and held back XRP from its true potential for the last almost 3 years. And while we went through that, as all of us know, many of us know, the amount of FUD that we as holders had to deal with was truly insane. We literally even had the SEC out there saying, hey, the people that we're suing, well, they can defend you, even though we're out there charged with protecting the retail market from all of the bad stuff that they say is going on, right? That's how nonsensical that whole thing was. And what were we hearing from all the Bitcoin maxis? Oh, for sure, Max Kaiser's out there saying XRP is going to designate it as security. Well, it didn't, did it? And then what was next? Wow, the SEC has filed an interlocutory appeal. And boy, I'll tell you what, XRP is doomed for sure now. What happened? The SEC lost their interlocutory appeal. Then, of course, hey, they're going after Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse. That gets dropped. Now we're in the settlement phase, and we're seeing that, look, it's more likely that the settlement that XRP has to pay is going to be absolutely nominal compared to what they were going to get. Now, we had just gotten through all that, and now what are we hit with? Well, guys, here we are dealing with this major fraud, of course, with this phony baloney, BlackRock ETF filing. And you just go take a look at all the articles that are out there. I'm telling you what, over 85 to 90% of them are all about this whole deal and oh my goodness, and how bad that is for XRP. And of course, that was a directed attack against the XRP ecosystem and of course, against us as the holders of XRP. And guys, one of the main criticisms that we get is that, hey, institutional people don't even have any interest. In fact, I saw a guy that I have already corrected more than one time, in my comments this morning. And he's out there saying, oh yeah, well, Ripple, they just lease their XRP. They don't sell it to ODL and on and on and on, which is absolute false. It's a complete lie, bottom line. Well, guys, I want to show you something right down here that'll really surprise you, because a lot of times the criticism we get is that, hey, when all these big boys buy, it doesn't even move the price. Well, guys, just take a look at this article right over here. And millions of XRP moved to Ripple ODL partner, and from native Bitvavo, here's the price reaction. Now listen to this right down here. XRP has experienced significant activity as anonymous whales orchestrated substantial transfers to and from major exchanges. The surge in movement coincides, get this guys, with a 6% increase in the price of XRP following a recent 12% crash triggered by false rumors surrounding a potential XRP exchange-traded fund filing by BlackRock. Guys, we had literally dropped 12% and bam, XRP's back up on its feet again, duking it out and claiming 6% in 24 hours. And if you're thinking that a lot of people are bailing on XRP, it couldn't be further from the truth. You have got a major majority of these whales up there, and they are gobbling it up like no tomorrow because, guys, they know what's coming. Now, listen to this right down here. A prominent blockchain tracking platform, Whale Alert, has reported a series of noteworthy transactions involving XRP over the past day, just in 24 hours. Notably, a withdrawal of 20 million XRP from Bitvavo. That's on over $10 million, guys, right there. A crypto exchange based in Amsterdam caught the attention of observers. Additionally, a transfer of 24.5 million XRP to Bitstamp, a Ripple on-demand liquidity partner, further fueled speculation. Further analysis suggests that Ripple Labs may be involved in some of the recent XRP sales. Did you hear that, guy? Sales, not just leasing it. Ripple in the first quarter of 2023 literally sold 361 million XRP. And guys, get this, they do not sell it on open exchanges. It only gets sold to on-demand liquidity partners. And what does that tell you, guys? If ODL buyers are buying up XRP, what are they doing with it? Well, guys, they are literally using it. You cannot deny the fact that these money service businesses around the wide world and in huge chunks are buying up XRP. And we have literally seen just in 3 months in the first quarter of 2023, 361 million. And in a year's time, I mean, they get that every quarter. You're well over 1 billion XRP being sold to on-demand liquidity partners, and ODL and Ripple payments is truly making a dent in this financial world. And don't kid yourself, guys, it is definitely being used and it is going to be reflected. Now, this aligns with previous transfers where Ripple sent XRP to exchanges like Bitstamp, Bitso, a Mexican cryptocurrency exchange, to support its XRP payment service. And that's what they call on-demand liquidity now. It's called Ripple Payment. And these are for the transition to on-demand liquidity. This is not being sold to the public. In fact, it hasn't been sold to the public since 2019. And this is where the fuzzers will come out and say, oh, there they go again. They just dumped 1 billion XRP onto the market. That is absolute hogwash. Guys, they've sold their XRP. They've sold it to on-demand liquidity partners. And guys, that just strengthens the use case for XRP around the wide world. Now listen to this. The movement of XRP has had a notable impact on its price. Over the past 24 hours, XRP has seen a rise of over 6%, effectively reversing the recent 12% decline caused by the false BlackRock ETF rumor. And guys, this is where I'm coming out and saying, hey, listen, XRP is really showing its strength here and flexing its muscle, because I'll tell you what, with the amount of attacks that has been against this ecosystem, Ripple, XRP, and all of us as holders, it is absolutely mesmerizing that this ecosystem has not one time ever in the entirety of this digital asset space lost a position in the top 10 for market cap. Not one time, guys, in that whole time. And you're looking at a 6% bounce back. Man, that is flying back on your feet and just absolutely drop kicking your opponent while you do it. The recent whale transactions and Ripple's continued involvement in the XRP ecosystem indicate renewed interest in the cryptocurrency, potentially bolstering its price in coming days. Now listen to this. The movement of XRP to and from major exchanges, coupled with Ripple's active participation in these transactions, can be attributed to the recent rise in the price of the crypto asset. The ongoing debate surrounding XRP and its market behavior underscores the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency landscape as platforms like Ripple and major exchanges continue to innovate and adapt. Competition and rivalry within the market are expected to intensify. These developments will likely drive future advancement in blockchain technology, shaping the future of cryptocurrencies and their scalabilities. Guys, like I always say, never ever fear competition. Competition is the absolute cure for complacency. And boy, I'll tell you what, it is absolutely fantastic to watch Ripple take one opponent out of another opponent out of another opponent. And boy, we are talking some major giants. How many people, how many organizations could literally stand up and fight the SEC the way that Ripple did for this community and for XRP and absolutely get a knockout blow? Bam, bam, bam. How many times did they frickin' go out there and take out the SEC? SEC lost on practically every major thing that mattered, guys. It is truly phenomenal. Now, I want to show you this right here because this is quite wild. Just came out today, November 16th. XRP price could see a God candle that would send it into 900% higher, analyst says. Now, guys, most people are just so focused on all this negativity that they don't even realize that in the last 30 days, XRP has still held up over 30% gains. And here we're seeing an analyst when most people are, it's down, it's done, and are giving up. You're going to watch something happen. I've been there to see it myself, just tinker along, and then bam, all of a sudden, just like that, away she went. 900%. Now listen to this right here. The price of XRP, the native token of the XRP ledger, has served more than 120% over the past 6 months after a major player in its space, Ripple, secured a number of victories in its legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In July, Ripple gained a partial victory when a federal judge determined that the company's previous systematic sales of XRP did not constitute an offer of investment contracts. This decision caused XRP to spike over 85 cents. I think it went to about 94 cents. Although it later retreated to around 50 cents in the following days before recovering, guys, getting right back up on its feet again. The Ripple community celebrated 2 more wins last month. The first was when the U.S. magistrates dismissed the SEC's attempt to overturn the initial ruling. The second victory came when the charges against CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen were dismissed. This resulted in the largest single-day increase in XRP's value in several months. According to cryptocurrency trading Tony the Bull, the cryptocurrency could see a God candle in the near future, as the last time it formed a specific candlestick pattern, its price went up 900% in a single candle. Per the analyst, XRP formed the same candlestick setup in 2017. Now, guys, where have we heard that before? We've heard that from Dark Defender. We've heard it from, eGreg Crypto. We've heard it from a number of technical analysis guys that are saying, look, it looks like we're practically mirroring what happened there. And guys, hey, history doesn't repeat, but boy, does it ever rhyme. And we are seeing some setups that are truly amazing. Per the analyst, XRP formed, 2017, before that huge surge, which would see its price rally a total of 1,600% from its current level around that 63.8 level. I think as of this recording, XRP is practically back up at 65 cents. Such a rally would see the token surge to around $11. Now, guys, I know there's people out there, $11 doesn't really excite you, but for other people, it is a big, big deal. Needless to say, guys, it shows you the potential trajectory. Do you think it's going to stop at $11, this bull run? Guys, I'm telling you, there's guys out there like eGreg Crypto that genuinely believe we could see a 3-digit XRP in this bull run, and that is going to make a big time difference to a lot of people in this space. The pattern the analyst showed in his chart preceded a massive XRP price surge from around 16 cents to $2.70 in late 2017. And guys, it went as high as $3.84. Notably, as reported, traders' confidence in XRP has been extremely high, with future positions on Bybit being dominated by long positions. According to historical data, the price of XRP has generally not been profitable in the month of November over the past 5 years. The only exception was 2020, when XRP experienced a substantial gain of 173.8%. Guys, we could be seeing something big time getting set up here, and most people are absolutely not expecting it, and my guess is a majority of them are going to completely miss it. Now, guys, I want you to take a look at this right here from Fiat Leak. Just look at the volume of XRP that is literally firing out the door in the US, and guess what? Where else, guys? In South Korea. And look at the price right here. You're at 64.81. Guys, if this was absolutely going into a nosedive, we'd be back down there at the 47-cent range. You have to remember that in just the last few weeks, we've traveled from that, high 47, 48 cents all the way to 64 cents. And yet a lot of folks are absolutely out there crying over what the price is right now, when in fact we're up literally tens of percent, 30% in the last 30 days. Guys, it's all about perspective. Get the right perspective. What is going on right now is truly phenomenal, and we could be seeing some major surges like what they're talking about, a 900% God candle. And on top of that, guys, you have watched Ripple literally come back, flexing its muscle and showing you just what a powerful asset it is. I don't think that Bitcoin nor Ethereum could have ever survived those 3 years under the pressure and the stress that XRP had been under. The XRP army in this community, I'm telling you what, was one of the strongest communities in this entire digital asset space. And if you held on through that, in my estimation, you ought to congratulate yourselves. Guys, the day is going to come. I literally believe it. I feel it right down there in my bones, where we are going to be able to look back over our shoulder and say, wow, we really did it. And we are going to be absolutely sailing right through the atmosphere. So guys, in my mind, there is no bigger decision in this space that you're going to make than getting your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one, for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.